Welcome to the Tanfon factory. Is your supermarket struggling with high electricity bills and frequent power outages? Diesel generators are expensive to run and require frequent maintenance. Tanfon's 50 to 500 kilowatts supermarket solar energy storage system helps you power your store with rooftop sunshine. During the day, solar power directly powers air conditioning, cold chain logistics, elevators, and lighting in rainy weather. The system automatically switches to diesel or mains power for uninterrupted supply. The entire system supports remote monitoring, features overload protection, lightning protection, and fire resistance, and boasts an IP65 outdoor protection rating, ensuring stable operation and longevity. Based on our existing project data, most clients recoup their investments in 2 to 4 years, with every year thereafter being pure profit from savings. Simply provide us with a list of your supermarket's loads, and our engineers will design the correct system for you, handle installation, commissioning, and engineering training, and provide 25 years of online maintenance support. If you also want to reduce your electricity bills and say goodbye to power outages, welcome to visit our supermarket case studies and witness firsthand the operational quality of our 500 kilowatts solar system.